You see, using ChatGPT is not like training a pet. Instead of giving it treats, you give it prompts, and instead of wagging its tail, it gives you a response. The bottom line is, the better prompts you give, the better responses you get. In this video, we are going to explore how to give the right prompts to get the best possible results from ChatGPT. But that's not all. We'll also introduce you to some incredible tools and extensions that will take your ChatGPT experience to the next level.
चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So you might be wondering, if ChatGPT is so smart, why can't it generate high quality content on its own? Well, the truth is, ChatGPT is only as good as prompts you give it. A vague or poorly written prompt won't get you the results you desire. But with a clear and well structured prompt, you will be amazed at the quality of content it can produce. Now, to keep yourself updated with these trends, visit our website to learn more about our comprehensive AI workshops and services. Explore the latest advancement in AI and Microsoft tools with us and stay ahead of the curve. Don't miss out. Click the link below and discover the world of AI with us. Let's say you want to write an article about the benefits of meditation. If you give ChatGPT a vague prompt like write an article about meditation, you'll get something basic like this. But if you provide a specific prompt like write an article on the importance of meditation in a person's life and how it can help him, you will get a well structured and impressive article like this one. Now, instead of crafting prompts from scratch, you can watch this video till the end without skipping it, because I have found some great examples for you. And tell us in the comments which type of prompts you find most interesting. Alright, now if you don't want to spend time searching for prompts on websites, there's a game-changing Chrome extension that works directly with ChatGPT. It's called AI Prompts. With this extension, you can set the writing style and tone for your desired output. You can also search for any type of content you want to create or select from various topics. For example, if you want to write an SEO optimized article for your website, you can use the AI prompt. But before that, let me tell you how to add this extension. You can add this extension to your Google Chrome by entering AIPRM for ChatGPT in the search bar and then click on the first link and add this extension to your profile. After adding the extension to your profile, you need to connect it with your OpenAI account, and it's done. Now you have entered the realm of ChatGPT prompts. Now go to the search bar and enter SEO optimized article writer, and you will get a list of relevant results. You can choose any of the prompt among them, and after that, just go to the ChatGPT query box and enter the topic for your article, and it will provide you a well structured article. Let me explain this to you with an example. Like here, I want ChatGPT to write an article on the topic creative content writing for my website. So I'll just go to the query box and type write an article on creative content writing, and it will come back with a detailed SEO optimized article like this. As you can see, the content produced with the extension is much better and tailored to your needs compared to the regular prompt. It's a real time saver. Certainly, Be10x is an educational technology company committed towards assisting young professionals in acquiring valuable skills, including ChatGPT and various AI tools that can remarkably enhance their chances of getting high-paying jobs. You have the chance to receive the training from our experts, including alumni from IIT Kharagpur. To get started, simply click the link provided in the description to join our workshop at an exceptionally affordable cost. But we're not done with the extensions yet. Meet ChatGPT Writer, an extension designed to help you write emails more efficiently. You can add this extension to your Google Chrome by searching it on Google and adding it to your profile. Once added, you'll find an icon in your Gmail when composing an email. Just click on it, enter the topic of your email and hit generate. Your email content will be ready to go. It's that easy. And here's the cool part. You can also use it to reply to emails. Open an email, click reply, and let ChatGPT Writer craft your perfect response based on the previous email's context. Let me give you an example of how you can use it for your official mails with your manager and colleagues. Suppose you need to write a mail to your manager for your salary increment. So here's what you need to do. First, you need to open your Gmail and click on Compose. Then you will spot a little thunder icon in the bottom left corner of your page. Once you click on that icon, a pop-up window will appear where you will enter the prompt. Write an email to my manager for the salary increment which was supposed to be done last month. And after that, hit the generate email button, and here it is, the mail is ready. Now click on insert generated mail, and now you need to enter the email ID of the recipient and send it to that person. You can also copy and paste a previous mail in the email context box to generate a reply for that mail. So here I have copied a random mail from my inbox, and as soon as I'll open the reply section, it will get pasted there. And after that, we just need to click generate reply button, and it will give a professional reply to the mail. And after hitting the insert generated reply button, you can send that to the recipient. After pasting the email, we need to hit this generate email button, and we'll let ChatGPT Writer craft a perfect response based on the previous email's context. If you like this video, share this video with your friend who needs these extensions to make his or her life easier. And for more such amazing content and for the part 2 of this amazing and helpful extensions video, hit the subscribe button.